My hometown. A special place. I live in a small town called Greenville. It's a peaceful and friendly place nestled among rolling hills. In my hometown, everyone knows each other, and we're like one big family. One of my favorite spots in Greenville is the town park. It has a big, old oak tree where we often have picnics. Children play on the swings and slide while parents chat on benches. Our town is known for its beautiful lake. The water is crystal clear, and we often go fishing or have boat rides. In the summer, the lake is alive with laughter and splashing. Greenville has an annual festival where we celebrate with music, food, and games. It's a time when the whole town comes together to have fun. I also love our library. It's a quiet place filled with books that take you on incredible adventures. I often spend hours reading there. At night, the stars light up the sky, and we can see them so clearly in Greenville. It's a perfect place for stargazing. My hometown may be small, but it's filled with warmth, beauty, and unforgettable memories. I'm proud to call Greenville my home. A day at school. Once upon a time, in a little town, there was a school named Sunnydale Elementary. It was a bright and welcoming place where children came to learn and play. Every morning, the children gathered in the schoolyard, laughing and chatting with friends. They lined up to go inside the school building, where they met their teachers. Ms. Smith, their kind and patient teacher, greeted them with a warm smile. Inside the classroom, the children sat at their desks. They learned to read, write, and solve math problems. They also had art class, where they painted colorful pictures, and music class, where they sang songs. At lunchtime, they enjoyed delicious meals in the school cafeteria. They shared stories and traded snacks with each other. After lunch, it was time for recess. The children played on swings, climbed on the jungle gym, and kicked soccer balls. They had so much fun in the fresh air. When the school day ended, the children said goodbye to their friends and teachers. They looked forward to coming back the next day for more learning and adventures. And so, every day at Sunnydale Elementary was a new and exciting journey for these young learners. The Lost Pencil. One sunny morning, in a classroom at Oakwood Elementary School, a boy named Tim sat at his desk. He loved school and was always eager to learn. But today, he couldn't find his favorite pencil. Tim's pencil had a shiny blue eraser, and he had used it to write many stories and solve math problems. He looked inside his pencil case, under his books, and even on the floor, but it was nowhere to be found. Tim felt worried and sad. He didn't want to use any other pencil. He wanted his special one. His friend Sarah noticed his concern and asked, "Tim, what's wrong?" Tim explained that he had lost his favorite pencil. Sarah, being a helpful friend, said, "Don't worry, Tim. Let's look for it together." They searched high and low, checking every corner of the classroom. Finally, Sarah spotted something shiny under Tim's chair. It was the lost pencil. Tim was overjoyed. He thanked Sarah for her help and gave her a big hug. With his favorite pencil in hand, he was ready to start the day's lessons with a smile. Tim learned an important lesson that day. Friends can make even the toughest problems feel smaller. And he knew that he would always help his friends, just like Sarah helped him find his precious pencil.